For me, Thorgan Hazard's beautiful world-class long ranger which knocked out Portugal from Euro 2020, the defending champions, and made Belgium progress to the quarterfinals is not the reason for Belgium's progression to the quarterfinals. Why? Because there was one man who was more vital, more essential for Belgium's progression to round of 16. Who is that? I will reveal his name, but just look at the stats. 5 attempts by Belgium, only 1 on target. That means the goal which Thorgan Hazard scored from a distance. Other than that, Belgium were not that effective in the attacking third, and also with Kevin De Bruyne, the main playmaker, getting injured and being replaced, their attacking prowess was a little bit diminished. But still, they came out with a win. Now, who is the man? A beautiful quote by Iker Casillas defines the man. Iker Casillas, the great goalkeeper, once said that goalkeepers are like good people. You don't really talk about them unless they make a mistake. And that's why I think nobody is talking about Thibaut Courtois' brilliance underneath the goal for Belgium. Portugal with 22 attempts. Yes, 22 and 4 were on target. So a lot of attempts were off target. True, Diego Jota got 2 brilliant chances which he should have kept on target, and one ball came back after hitting the post. That was from Rafael Guerreiro. So that was also off target. But let's talk about the 3 attempts which were really on target out of the 4, which could have gone in, should have gone in. And that's where Thibaut Courtois comes in. First half, Ronaldo gets a free kick, and the free kick just goes past the wall. It swerves, it dips. Remember how the Thorgan Hazard shot swerved and swung away from Rui Patricio? This was also not that much swing was there, but it swerved a little and it dipped. For a goalkeeper of that height of Thibaut Courtois, he could have been under a very precarious situation and the ball could have slipped underneath him, but he adjusted himself and got a hand to it, and with that powerful Ronaldo free kick, he kept it out. One chance saved. Second one, in the second half, a brilliant corner, brilliant header by Ruben Diaz, but it was straight to Courtois. It was very powerful. People will see one thing, that because it was straight to Courtois from point blank range, he could save with his fists up, hands up. But remember, with so much power and with 1 or 2 yards out, the ball coming directly to the goal, many a times goalkeepers fail to get both hands to it. Because of his height and because of his agility, because of his quick reflexes, he somehow got 2 hands to it and lifted it over. That at times we have seen balls like those, headers like those go in between the hands of the goalkeepers. So that was another great chance. Third one, a Ronaldo header. It came from the left side, and then Andre Silva on the far post, he almost slided and almost got a leg to it, and even almost got it underneath the armpit of Courtois. But Courtois' big body frame somehow stopped it from going in, creeping in from that far post, and he got hold of the ball after that. So that were 3 chances which could have been goal on any other day, but that's what you get when you have a world-class goalkeeper in your ranks. Because remember, Belgium's defense is not that strong, but this kind of a goalkeeper, Courtois has been doing this for 2 continuous seasons for Real Madrid, single-handedly getting them points, and this is nothing different from him. And he might be a very, very important player as the tournament progresses for Belgium. So if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, and if you like it, please share it with your friends, and do hit the bell icon for all notifications. But Courtois is the man for me. Goodbye.